So we will see how adXchain works and how publishers can list their ad spaces for free, and how advertisers can buy in form of compressed NFTs. So firstly, we will need to log in into adXchain. After that, once you have logged in, we need to create an ad inventory where our all ad spaces would be listed. So once you have created an ad inventory, let's create an ad slot in this inventory. One thing you need to be aware of that once you give this website URI, you should always give the path to your ad space so that advertisers can verify it. Let's create the ad NFT. As you can see, the ad slot is actually in the draft state. We will first need to integrate our website with this particular slot using the slot ID. So we'll copy that. adXchain has this demo code that is already integrated with which you can look into. All we need is the slot ID which we copied just now, and we need to hit this endpoint to fetch the ad. And once some advertiser becomes the owner of this ad, the ad would be displayed right here. So let's change the ad slot ID with the ID we just copied. Let's save it and let's deploy this. So now once your app is deployed, you can verify it by going to the route you gave earlier. In my case, I gave this route. So now your NFT is ready to list. We'll set the status to active. With this, the NFT will be, the ad space will be listed on adXchain. As you can see, our adXchain inventory has been listed on adXchain, and our ad space slot has also been listed with the correct details. Now we'll see how an advertiser can buy your ad NFT and can list his ads on your website. So for that, we'll select this and click on buy. We need to upload, advertiser would upload his ad content here that he wants to show on your website. So click on pay button. To confirm the transaction, you would need an Underdog API key, which is again very easy to get. You'll go login into Underdog and you would generate a new API key. Once you have generated a new API key, you need to copy this and you need to paste it here. To be noted, we do not store your API key and you should not share this API key with anyone. If you lose this API key, you lose the ownership of your ad NFT. So be very careful with it. Let's click on buy button. And there you go. You are now the owner of this ad NFT. As you can see, this cannot be bought again. Now let's verify if our ad content has been listed correctly or not. For that, we would go to this URL. As you can see, the ad content we uploaded has been listed here correctly. So this is how advertisers can buy your ad NFTs and list their ads on your website.